the Ironhead engine. Often criticised by many for its vibrations, which is like, oh God, yeah, God forbid you might feel anything. So, but its vibrations, I'm going to explain a side benefit here. Back in April, which is the last time you want to discover something like this particular screw here, I was just doing a little rudimentary tightening of everything. And this screw here just came out. It just turned and came out. And it had snapped itself off and left the thread inside the casing. And in November or December, you might say, right, haul it in, let's have this off and get that out. You don't say that in April. Right? You say, well, I'll ride it around a bit and see if it's all right. And it turns out it doesn't really need that screw, so that was good. So I rode around all this year. It's January, well, all last year. It's now January 25 with that screw missing. And I pulled it in because we've had some awful weather, sub-zero temperatures, followed by torrential rain, followed by sub-zero temperatures. So I thought, right, drag it in and sort out various things that I've made other videos about. And as I was sort of thinking, right, okay, I'll wheel it out, I suddenly remembered this and thought, bollocks, that's a big job. But I put a feeler gauge down through it, a vernier caliper, the long pointy bit, and to see how long, I knew how long the thread was, so I needed to know how long the new screw would have to be, so I could order that before I started any work if I didn't have any. And I put the feeler thing down through it, and it just went to 3 inches, and I thought, well, I wasn't expecting that. And I got a 3-inch one of these, and I put it down there, and it found thread, and it screwed in perfectly well, and it's done up tight. And the only thing I can think is, remember, the screw thread portion of that bolt was broken off in the casing. The only thing I can think is it vibrate over the course of last year. It managed to vibrate the broken stud out. That is the only way what I have experienced could have happened. So yeah, vibrations. Not just cool, practical as well. Cheerio, bye.